Hey everyone, I'm Rick and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of stuffy air in your home, allergies acting up, or worrying about harmful pollutants like formaldehyde from furniture or cleaning products, then get excited because today we're reviewing the Dyson Purifier Big+Quiet Formaldehyde BP03. This powerhouse air purifier is designed for large rooms up to 1,000 square feet with advanced HEPA H13 filtration to capture 99.97% of particles as small as zero point 0.3 microns, a dedicated formaldehyde sensor and catalytic filter to destroy it permanently, ultra-quiet operation at just 56 decibels, app control for remote monitoring, auto mode that adjusts based on air quality, and a sleek tower design with 360-degree oscillation for whole room coverage. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a purifier that's powerful yet quiet for cleaner, fresher air in big spaces like living rooms or offices, this is the one that'll transform your indoor environment. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the Dyson Purifier Big+Quiet Formaldehyde BP03. This purifier has a tall, modern tower design in white and silver that's stylish and fits in any room without taking up much floor space. The filtration system is top-notch with a sealed HEPA H13 filter that traps ultrafine particles like dust, pollen, pet dander, and bacteria, plus an activated carbon layer to absorb odors, gases, and VOCs. What sets it apart is the selective catalytic oxidation filter that continuously destroys formaldehyde molecules from sources like wood products or paints without needing replacement. It has a built-in air quality sensor that monitors PM 2.5, PM 10, VOCs, NO2, and formaldehyde in real time, displaying data on the LCD screen or via the My Dyson app. Auto mode ramps up fan speed when pollution rises and quiets down when air is clean, saving energy. The cone Aerodynamics system projects purified air over 33 feet with 360-degree oscillation for even distribution in large areas. Night mode dims the display and runs quietly for bedrooms, and there's a backward airflow mode to purify without cooling breeze. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi for app control, where you can schedule, monitor history, or use voice with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. It's energy efficient with low power consumption, and the filters last up to 12 months based on usage. Setup is easy. Plug in, connect to app, and it's ready. Priced around $500, it's engineered for performance with a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are purifying perfection, powerful HEPA filtration that captures ultrafine particles and destroys formaldehyde for healthier air, real-time sensors, and auto mode for smart, hands-free operation. Ultra-quiet at 56 decibels, so it won't disturb your peace. Effective for large rooms with long-range projection and oscillation. App and voice control for convenient monitoring, and a stylish design that blends in. Users rave about how it reduces allergies, eliminates odors, and provides peace of mind with clean air data. On the con side, the price is premium for budget shoppers. Filter replacements add ongoing costs, though they last a year. No built-in humidifier if you need that. And the tower size might not suit very small spaces. A few mentioned the app setup can be tricky if Wi-Fi is weak, but overall, the pros dominate for those needing serious purification. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Dyson Purifier Big+Quiet Formaldehyde BP03. If you have a large space and the pros like powerful filtration, quiet operation, and smart features make sense for you, it's perfect for families, allergy sufferers, or anyone wanting cleaner air at home. Before we wrap, if these reviews freshen up your home, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who needs clean air, or subscribe for more. See you next time.